If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2016 Jeep Renegade Latitude in granite crystal metallic with automatic headlamps, cornering front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, black side roof rails, manual 6-way adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, 5-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, Beats premium audio, SELEC-TERRAIN system, ambient LED interior lighting, rear 60/40 folding seats, MySky power retractable and removable panels, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P5444.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.